nature, channeling, nature, channeling, nature, channeling, nature, exactly. Super. Thank you. So, like big things we can see, but small things we just overlook, right? So one time, give it a chance. Take that thing, think about it. Like, what is it? Observe. Like, people should connect with the nature. Like, people don't connect. Like, being busy, being in technology, using devices. This is the main reason that people life is getting very busy. If we connect with the nature, it will help us to be in peace.